Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30 minutes in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, let's try that again. There we go. So this looks like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes me kind of laugh. And you can always tell who doesn't use charts because you look at social media, you look at the message boards, and people are freaking out. People are freaking out. And then the people that use charts are like, yeah, the price pulled back, sure, but I mean, it's not like it violated anything from a technical perspective. And by no means am I patting myself on the back here. I am patting charts on the back. But yeah, there is a pullback here. And just like I talked about in yesterday's video, it did pull back. But if you care about the big picture of things, hey, the bulls are still in control because the price is still up above, not only the green line, but also we're up above that purple line there too. And you can see here, I mean, like I said, the power of charts. What a coincidence that the price just happened to go sideways right around this purple line and then just go absolutely beast mode for the remainder of the day. So to those of you that use charts, congratulations. And yeah, to those of you that were freaking out and just losing it, you can save yourself a lot of time and stress by just actually understanding stress and, or understanding charts and not listening to those out there that, oh, charts are a joke. Yeah, what a coincidence. Just an absolute coincidence. Anyway, same with that coincidence, how it just happened to bounce off that pink line. My point here is, though, that assuming you care about the big picture of things, then again, as long as the price stays above that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving, so that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as ideal levels of support now, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above 0.019, that would be a huge sign of power. However, don't get me wrong, if the price does fall below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because for the reasons already discussed, yeah, the price still has plenty of leeway to stay up above that purple line there. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because really they don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, if you stop and think about things from a literal perspective, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows and higher lows, then the chart itself literally runs out of room, and the only room that it can find is to go higher, aka break levels of resistance. So my point is this: as long as you focus on building higher lows, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking resistance levels, and that's what this chart has been doing. And as long as it stays above that purple line, that implies higher lows are being put into place, and that's what you want.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.